Hello friends, so we have a question. Find all possible triplet which can form a triangle from a list of array elements. So we have to first take array as an input list, and then we have to see that by logic what is the which triplet which can form a triangle, and we have to print this. Okay, so first we will see that if we take a triangle, this is a triangle. If we take this side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. Okay, then we have a triangle which this side is A, this side B, this side C. Then A, B, C is the side of triangle if and only if satisfy this condition. What is the condition? This condition is A plus B, A plus B greater than C. Actually, sum of two side is greater than third side. Okay. Also B plus B plus B plus C, B plus C greater than A. Okay, and also C plus A, C plus A greater than B. So this is the three condition. If all three conditions satisfy, then we can say that A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. Okay, understanding? This is our condition. This is our condition for satisfying. We can write by text. This is our condition for A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. Okay, so this is our condition for sides of a triangle. If we take like that. Okay, okay, so this is our the three condition. If we will implement in code these three condition, then okay, we have to code. Okay, this is our the question. So first we have to take number of input array elements. So we have take n as a variable which will be storing the value of our number of total element. Okay, so in Python actually when we write input, so it's taking as a string as a input. So number of element is integer value, so we have to give here int function. So this is our enter. We will write enter total number of array element which will want. Okay, then we are taking ARR as a array variable name and taking empty array. Okay, we in Python we will use a square bracket for the empty array or array. Okay, okay, then we have to take input n elements array input. Okay, so we are using a loop, for loop, for I in range, of 0 to n, because we have to take n input element. Here what is doing the range function in Python? We are commenting by hash. So in Python, range function is like that. If we write 0 to 5, then it takes value from 0 to 4. Okay, 0 to 4, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have for loop. So we are storing the integer input, array element input, in x. So we have to write x int input and x input, and we are using here append function for appending this input element in the our empty array. Okay, so we have to write arr dot append x. Okay, so this is the append function. Append function is used for appending array elements at the end. It's only modify the original array. It's not change, it's not generate new array. Okay, so this is the doing appending function. Appending function, what is do? Appending function is used for appending array element at the end. It's only modify the original array. Okay, and it's not generate any new array. Okay, so this is our for loop for the appending input. Okay, then when we print our array list, then if we run this, then it is taking input into total number of array element. Okay, we give 5 as a total input array element, then we have to give 5 input. So give we will give 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is giving. So you can see that it is giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a array. So our program is right. Now we have all array element. Okay, now we have to find out triplets which can form a triangle from a list of array. Okay, so our condition, we have seen that our condition, we have to use condition a plus b greater than c, b plus c greater than a, c plus a greater than b. Then how we will use it in code. Okay, so in an array list n element, so we have to take a as a first element, b as a second element, c as a third element. Then we have to check these conditions. If all three conditions are satisfied, then a, b, c are the sides of triangle. Okay, and this condition, this step is we have to take up to the last element. So what I have to do, we are writing here, we have to take A as first element. We are writing first element, B as second element, and C as third element. Okay, then we writing in, then we have to check all three conditions. What is the condition? Our condition is A plus B greater than C, B plus C greater than A, and last one is C plus A greater than B. Okay, if all three conditions are satisfied, then A, B, C are the sides of triangle. So this is the step. So this step we have to do for all the list element, for all the array element or list element. Okay, so what we can do, we have to use for loop. We have to use loop actually. Then we are using for loop. So we have to giving for I in range 0 to n minus 2. Here we are using n minus 2. Why? Because of if we are taking A as a first element, okay, A as the first element, then we can take value of A. Actually we have three sides of triangle. We have to take three sides of triangle. So if we are starting from A from first element, then we can take value of A as third last element, up to third last element. So we are using n minus 2. Okay, and we are taking A is equal to array of I. Okay, so this is giving value of A is equal to first element, and then next element, second, third, fourth, and up to third last element. Okay, again same we have to take value of B and value of C. So what we will do, for J in range of here we will start from I plus 1. Why? Because of first element is A, then second element is B. Okay, second element is B, and it goes up to n minus 1. N minus 1 means second last element. Okay, the value of B can take up to second last element. So we will writing here B is equal to ARR of J. Okay, next for C, just like same for K in range of J plus 1, actually starting from third element. Okay, third element, then ending at last element. So C is equal to ARR of K. Okay, so this is all our value A, B, C. So here firstly we are starting from A is equal to first element, ARR of I, first element. This for loop is starting from actually value of A starting from first element to third last element, and now B, then B is starting from the second element, second element to second last element, and value of C is starting from third element, so last element. Okay, so now we have to use our logic for checking A, B, C is the our triplet of which can form triangle or not. Okay, sorry. So we are using, what's the condition our? We have seen that our condition is A plus B greater than C, and B plus C greater than A, C plus C greater than B. So we have to write it here. So if A plus B greater than C, okay, and B plus C greater than A, and C plus A greater than B. So this is our all condition, so that A, B, C can check that it is the sides of triangle or not. Okay. If this is happening, then A, B, C the sides of triangle. So we will print. Yes, and the value of A, B, and C. Okay. If we wanna count how many ABC triplet, so we have to write here count new variable is equal to 0, and here we have to write count is equal to count plus count plus 1. So it is storing counting, actually it is counting the value of triplet, how many triplet can be formed. Okay, and at last we will print the value of count. So we are using print function, print the total number of triplet can form for the triangle, for triangles are count. So we are printing count. Now we will, if we run this program, then see what will happen. Okay, if we run, then we are some indentation error. Actually Python is having indentation requirement, so we have to write indentation without some specific indentation. And if we run now, then it's giving taking into total number of array element. Okay, we are giving 5. We are giving 5. Okay, if we are give value, first value 3, second value 4, third value 5, fourth value 6, and 7, then this is our answer. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have given input array, okay? Input array, okay? Then this is our triplet: 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 7, 3, 6, 7, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 7, 4, 6, 7, and 5, 6, 7. Then total number of triplet can form the triangles are 9. We can check one. It is 3, 4, 5. If we add 3 and 4, then it's giving 7, which is always greater than 5. Okay. If we are adding 4 plus 5, 9, it is also greater than 3. If we are adding 5 plus 3, it is also greater than 4. So all satisfy conditions, all 3 conditions are satisfied, and total number of triplet, it's 9. Okay, so hope you will understand and enjoy this question. Actually here we will use 3 for loops, so time complexity is n cube, but here we are understanding the concept. Okay, next time we will consider about time complexity and see how we will reduce it. Okay, and hope you understand, and thank you.